Feel it?
Feels like a needle. Not even sure I want to know.
On the night of August 4th, 2024, an officer spotted a Toyota 4Runner swerving across the road late at night. Behind the wheel was Malian Bah, who claimed he was just tired, but the officer wasn't convinced. From his shaky answers to the mysterious blue item in his pocket, it made one thing clear. The officers knew he was hiding something. Let's take a closer look.
Hello. Lieutenant Jacobs for the Swanee Police Department. You got stopped because you're having trouble staying inside your lane and you're speeding. What's going on? How come you're all over the road? Okay. What do you want me to do with your Visa card? Okay. How about I trade you your Visa card for your license? How come you're having trouble staying inside your lane, sir?
I just got off work.
You just got off of work? Where you work at?
I work at
The Denali Infinity of Atlanta? What time did you get off work? Around 11? Okay. What'd you do after you got off work?
I got home. I got my first
You live in Swanee? Where do you live in Swanee?
grandma stayed in
Oh, your grandma stays in Swanee. Okay. Where's your grandma stay? Off which road? Twin Bridge? Twin Brooks. Okay. And how come you're speeding today? Do you know how fast you were going? Or how fast you had it set for? About 55? Okay, well it's a 45 zone. I was going 62 when I was behind you there as we crossed over Sawmill.
I got some food.
Got some food? Okay. And what's your address, sir?
It's 1069. 1069
Parkman's Drive? Okay, so the one on here is correct? Okay. And where are you headed to tonight? You going home? Okay. How much alcohol have you consumed tonight? You've not had any alcohol? What am I smelling coming out of the car that smells like alcohol? Yeah, I'm smelling something that's got that alcohol scent to it. Yeah. Has it got alcohol in it? Like for killing germs and stuff? Oh, that's possible. Alright, hang tight. Let me check on everything. I'll be right back with you, okay? Can you stay by here? Can you just block off the entire right lane? Yeah, stay back here. Do me a favor, keep your hands out of your pockets for me? Thank you. Yeah, let's step over here so no cars come buzzing by us. When's the last time you did have some alcohol?
Last time I had some alcohol?
Yeah.
At least more than 24 hours ago.
More than 24 hours ago? Would you go through some field sobriety evaluations so I can evaluate to make sure that you're going to be a safe driver this evening and that you're not under the influence of alcohol?
What does that mean?
Well, it's a series of 3 or 4 evaluations where I see if you're under the influence of alcohol to the point where you're not a safe driver. I check your eyes, we do some walking and some turning, and we balance on one leg. Although on this hill, we probably won't do the balancing.
I mean, right now, I'm just trying to get home right now. I've been home since like 4 a.m. this morning. I'm really tired. I just got home. I just got off work. I went to Vice to get some food. I'm trying to go home so I can put my suitcase and go to the airport.
I understand all that.
I'll get to it.
I'm just trying to make a determination as to whether or not you're under the influence of alcohol.
I mean, I don't think I am too tired right now.
You're too tired?
I'm just.
You don't want to participate in anything? You don't want to let me check your eyes, check your balance, or anything like that?
Right now, I just want to get home.
Okay.
Comment below why you think he's declining to take the sobriety test.
Would you blow into a PBT?
No, right now I'm just trying to get home.
Just trying to get home? Okay, so you don't want to do anything? Okay. All right, do me a favor. Turn around. Turn around. Spread your feet. Spread your feet. Keep going. Spread your feet. Keep going. Spread them further. Now put your hands behind your back. Put the backs of your hands together. The backs of your hands, put them together. No, that's the fronts. Put the backs. Lean forward. There you go. Don't move. You're under arrest for driving under the influence of alcohol this evening, okay? Lock these up so that they don't get any tighter, okay? One zero, there we go. 1085.
109.
You have anything on your person I need to worry about? Guns, knives, drugs, bombs, anything like that? Wallet in your back pocket. Go right back into your back pocket. Earbuds. Case. Yep. What you got in this pocket? No, it's not your wallet. Don't reach. Feels like a needle. Not even sure I want to know. This thing ain't dangerous, is it?
What is it?
Some blue thing in your pocket.
Can you see it?
Oh, and I get a glove because I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's biological or dangerous. Let's reach. This blue thing.
Right here?
Yeah. Here. Anything else strange or concerning on you that I need to worry about, sir? Put your feet on yourself. That's pretty gross. Right. Put your feet together, we're going to turn around. We'll go have a seat. Will you confirm the odor of this liquid for me, please?
That's alcohol.
Yep. Take a picture of that.
That actually looks like the laundry area that's supposed to be.
Yeah, that's. I'm always leery of sniffing anything in a bottle anyway.
Yeah.
That doesn't have a clear label. Back here. Some shoes. That's back here.
I could have kind of looked like it was in the cup, maybe.
While searching the 4Runner, officers uncovered exactly what they suspected: a half-empty bottle of Casamigos tequila tucked in plain sight of the trunk, a blue smoking pipe, likely used for marijuana, and loose pills scattered around the car. Whatever story Bah was telling, the car told a different one.
Doesn't move, I'm not breaking it. Taking pictures of all these things and get an 85 coming. 109 here. Hit an 85 one time for power. Also, sanitation for please.
Case number 2535-02535.
Temple. Is he expired too? He's got probably still on it. It came back valid. That is a 22 decal. Good eye. Dispatch. No, not dispatch. Media. And media. Photo. Did he die? Yeah. Still cold to the touch and sweating. Contents poured out. Found 2 prescription bottles.
Am I able to call them back when I get in there?
Sir?
Am I able to call those people back when I get in there?
Not from your phone, but yes. They'll let, once you get processed through, they'll give you access to a phone.
Okay. And this is Gwinnett County?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
You ever been here?
No.
In the end, Malian Bah was arrested and charged with the following. But after lying and refusing to do the sobriety tests and rolling around with Casamigos and a blunt in the car, it's safe to say this night didn't end how he planned. Was he really just tired? Or scared of getting caught? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe before I pull you over next. While you're here, check out this video. You won't believe what happened next.